This is my Lego rotation rectifier. Quick overview, the red gear is the input gear. The green gear is one of the optional output gears. You can have them in either one of these gray gears over here. And the mechanism works by rectifying the rotation that you input from the red gear. So I'll demonstrate here. You'll notice that if I rotate the red gear counterclockwise, then from this perspective the green gear turns counterclockwise as well. I'll give a few more rotations here so you can see it. Now if I change the direction of rotation on the red gear, you can see that the green gear still rotates in the same direction, and I haven't actually activated any mechanism or anything. It's all automatic. So what happens here is that the red gear drives the blue gear. I'll try to find a good perspective for this. The red gear drives the blue gear over here, which drives two of these gray gears right here. The gray gears sit on some lever arms over here that are connected to each other via spring, via a rubber band here. And they sit on top of the blue gear, not quite to the side, but a bit on top. And each one of these gray gears drives one of these smaller gears. They, in turn, drive gray gears, which you can kind of see from the bottom, here from the top as well, right here, and the other one right here. Now, here you have the blue gear driving these two gears, so they both want to rotate in the same direction. But you can see these two gears here, which are connected by rigid axles to these gears. The small ones are connected to these. They're connected by two gears between them, so they'd like ideally to rotate in different directions. What this means is that there's some sort of force on the gears here, which would normally jam the gears if everything was just kind of rigid. But what happens is that these sit here, these gray gears sit on top of the blue gear, and depending on the direction of rotation, one is kind of lifted up. In this case, the left one is lifted up and the right one is pulled down. And because they sit on lever arms, you can kind of they have the freedom to move and click away, and that way it resolves the conflict between the gears, between this set of gears and this set of gears. And if I rotate this way, then the left one will jump. I rotate the other way, the other one will jump. And that's about it, I think. You can have the green gear on either one of these gray gears, so you could have the bias go either way. Right now it rotates, if you look at it from this perspective, it rotates always to the counterclockwise direction. You could choose the other gear and have it always rotate to the clockwise direction. That's about it.